Hello, third graders, and welcome back to Place It Right. This is part two. So the first one you have already completed, but I wanted to just do another video of this just to make sure that you are understanding how it is done. So again, we are working with place value. So let's look at here. So the goal one is identify ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands digits in numbers up to 4 digits. Okay. So our goal 2 is construct 2 and 3 digit numbers that when added will have sums that match given clues. Okay, you have the cloud, which you've seen, and in the cloud you'll have numbers that you will need to use to create your number sentences here. And then you will use the clues, obviously, to pick the numbers to put over in here, tens, ones, hundreds, and it will tell you the sum of between what those need to be. So continue to follow the clues, remember your goals, and work on your, you'll be doing addition, different multiplication strategies, and just remember to follow that. Good luck.